Assalamualaikum. I am your English teacher of class 1. Now I am going to explain how to do English copy 2 work. This is your written work. You must cover your copy with plastic sheet, then maintain first page with name, father's name, class, section and subject. Leave this side and start your work from here. Mention date, English grammar work. Draw 2 columns, one for words and the other is for opposites. What are opposites? Opposites are words pairs that are related but totally different in meanings. Opposite ऐसे अल्फाज के पेयर होते हैं जो बिल्कुल मुख्तलिफ मीनिंग्स रखते हैं लेकिन एक दूसरे से रिलेट करते हैं. Just like near, far, here, there, hot, cold, open, close, rich, poor, happy, sad, good, bad, long, short, big, small, fat, thin, beautiful, ugly, earth, sky, give, take, new, old, go, come, clean, dirty, like, unlike, hard, soft, east, west, wet, dry. This is your complete exercise from 1 to 20 words opposites. Our second exercise is genders. Draw 2 columns, first for masculine and second one for feminine. Nouns which refers to males belong to the masculine gender. For example, son, husband, groom and etc. Nouns which refers to females belongs to feminine gender. For example, daughter, wife, bride and etc. जैसे मर्द मुज़क्कर है मीन्स मैस्कुलिन और औरत मुअन्नस है फेमिनिन. नाउ लेट स्टार्ट योर वर्क. सन, डॉटर, हस्बैंड, वाइफ, ग्रूम, ब्राइड, बुल, cow, he goat, she goat, he bear, she bear, peacock, peahen, horse, mare, fox, vixen, landlord, landlady, king, queen, uncle, aunt, prince, princess, man, woman, father, mother, brother, sister, sir, madam, Mr, Mrs, boy, girl, cock, hen. This is your complete exercise from 1 to 20 masculine, feminine. Now we are going to start singular, plural. Singular means one and plural means more than one. While changing singular to plural, we generally add s to the end of the word. For example, dog, dogs, pencil, pencils, bag, bags, car, cars, ball, balls, computer, computers, paper, papers, apple, apples, banana, bananas. If a singular word ends with double s, sh, ch, we generally add es. अगर कोई सिंगुलर वर्ड डबल एस, एस एच या सी एच पर ख़त्म हो रहा हो तो हम उसका प्लूरल बनाते वक्त ई एस का इजाफ़ा कर देते हैं. एस, एसिस, डिश, डिशेस, बुश, bushes, brush, brushes, coach, coaches, glass, glasses. The plural number of some nouns is formed by changing a vowel or by adding en. Child, children. कुछ nouns ऐसे होते हैं जिनमें मौजूद वॉवल्स को हम चेंज कर देते हैं या फिर हम en का इजाफा कर देते हैं, जैसे चाइल्ड, चिल्ड्रन, en ऐड कर दिया.
Tooth, teeth.
Foot, feet. Man, men. Woman, woman. This is your complete exercise 1 to 20 singular plural. Now you will write the definition of noun from the new page. Mention date. Definition. Noun. Noun is the name of any person, comma, place, comma, things or animals. Full stop. किसी भी शख्स, चीज़, जगह या जानवर के नाम को नाउन कहते हैं, यानी इस्म कहते हैं. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, असलम, कॉमा, कराची, कॉमा, चेयर, कॉमा, एप्पल, कॉमा, कैट, कॉमा, लाइन,
etc.
full stop. Second definition is adjective. An adjective is a word which tells the quantity or quality of a noun. ऐसा लफ्ज़ जो किसी भी नाउन की खासियत या तादाद के बारे में बताए एडजेक्टिव कहलाता है, यानी सिफ्त कहलाता है. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, असलम इज़ अ गुड बॉय, अ टॉल policeman, 6 boys fell down, I have 2 pencils. Good, tall, 6 and 2. These all are adjectives. Underline these adjectives. Now we are going to write an essay about a monkey. Mention date, heading, essay, and then write the title of this essay, a monkey. Monkey lives in jungle. This is a monkey. It had a long tail. It can jump and climb. I see the monkey in zoo. It imitated us. I gave popcorns to it. I like it very much. Now we are going to write an essay about my mother. Mention date and heading, my mother. My mother name is dash. Write your mother name. She is a housewife. She does all home chores from morning till night. She cooks delicious food. She takes care of our health. She loves me very much and I also love her a lot. This essay belongs to an apple. Mention date and heading. Essay, an apple. It is an apple. It is red in color. It is very tasty. Apple is rich of iron. People say about apple that an apple a day keeps the doctor away. I like it very much. Mention inverted commas in this line. An apple a day. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. This is the end of today's lecture. Do all this work in your English copy too. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.